Chapter 3 Aliens It is autumn all over the Phoenix Park, all over Dublin, all over the windy country. Leaves fly, birds gang in the sky, airplanes trail long, thin lines. Catherine finds the biggest conquer. How come it ends up in Cormac's pocket? After the park, all the Murphys visit Granny and Granddad, who live nearby. Granny makes chips and sauces. Then all the Murphys play Monsters in the shadowy hall, except Susan. Monsters is a scary game for babies. The rules: one Murphy is the monster. You have to get from Granny's bedroom at one end of the hall, past three more doors to the spare room at the other end, and the monster catches you. You are a slave. Slaves hide behind doors to capture innocent Murphys, another monster slave. The river is dark blue at the end of Granny's garden. So is the sky. It is time to go home. The road home is by the high park wall. The car is scratched full of grumpy Murphys. Rory says, I see a flying saucer. Anna sees too, drifting behind the trees. It landed in the park, says Laurie. What is this like? Asks Mammy. Big slow slides, says Rory, going behind the trees. Yes, says Anna. Big lights going slowly into the wood. I did, says Laurie, and Anna, and Mary, and Catherine. I saw it first, says Cormac. I did, says Laurie and Anna, and Mary, and Catherine. We better find it, says Laurie. There could be aliens, says Anna, so Daddy drives in the next park gate. Now the car is scratched full of serious Murphys. The dark hills budge. The car lies nose along the black shifting road. Dark, says Susan. Light, says Cormac. Closer. It is park keeper's house. The park keeper's dog charges and roars at the car. In the daytime he's a friendly fellow. Now his eyes flush red and yellow. Smarty and Pokey bark like drums. The scar sneaks on. This is where we were today, says Mammy. It's looked completely different now. I think the flying saucer is around here, says Laurie. Daddy stops the car. He turns off the light. Black. Silent. Mammy opens her window. Night creeps in, smelling leafy. Slowly all the Murphys start to see. Stars ping into the sky. Tree shapes appear. Slowly they start to hear tiny rustles and sighs. Tiny lights blink on and off around the car like eyes. Aliens, whispered Laurie. Eyes with shadowy body. They watch all the Murphys, and all the Murphys watch them. Not aliens, says Mommy. Dear. Dear watch all the Murphys, and all the Murphys watch them. We are the aliens, says Daddy. The deer blink their huge eyes. All the Murphys hear them breathe and hear themselves breathe. All the Murphys feel the same. Maybe the deer do too. I say the flying saucer is gone, says Daddy. He turns on the car lights and the deer back away, ears twitching. Off creeps the car. Further into the park, they see more deer and swoosh, a bird. Bird flying saucer? No. The car goes out the park gate. We could be invaded by aliens, says Laurie. They might be nice, says Mommy. Nicer than you, says Cormac, pinching Catherine. Ouch! Yaps Catherine. Cormac pops Mary. Nicer than you. Mary pokes him back. Are you? All the Murphy push and poke. Going, nicer than you, except Susan, fast asleep. Back at Parrot Park, all the Murphys have a story from Daddy. It is about people on another planet. In fact, they are very nice, really nice, quite like all the Murphys. The end.